So as you can see, this Facebook profile is completely locked, meaning that if someone is not friends with this person, which is me, that person will not be able to view the posts, photos, views, or even the Facebook profile picture. So this is how you actually lock a Facebook profile. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock your Facebook profile very easily. I know I've been getting a lot of comments on how to do this, so make sure to follow the steps. So you need to go to your Facebook application and then go to your profile. There should be a settings gear, and I'm going to show you how to change this public profile to locked. Before we continue with today's video, I just wanted to show you a really cool website called Country Finder. So let's say you were burned somewhere and you feel like you don't belong. With using this website, you're going to find out what is the country that fits you most. They're the sponsor of this video, and Country Finder basically uses algorithms to ask you questions about your date of birth, time of birth, some personality questions, and then it compares that with the algorithms of the world and then tells you what is the country that you belong to. And it's really cool because it asks you questions like your preferred environment for living, the things that you like to do at your free time, and it's really quick. It only takes like 2 minutes, and then it's going to compare it with the algorithms and then tell you what your cosmic alignment is, or basically what is the country that fits you most. For a limited amount of time, this website is for free, and if you go through the link, you can be able to find the answer of your country that fits you most for free, basically by going through the link in the description box. So if you have a phone, if you have an iPad or a computer, you can use this and then get that results for free. It's going to help the channel, and it's really cool to find out where you belong. So now we're going to go ahead and continue with the rest of the video, and then let's go ahead and watch the steps. And I'm going to show you how to change this public profile to locked. So tap on the settings gear, scroll down until you find the option that says profile locking. It should be the same on iPhones as well, so make sure to tap that, and then if you tap on lock profile, it will completely lock your profile from people who are not friends with you, and that's how it's going to look like. So if you want to tap on the profile picture, it's not going to open it. If you want to tap on the post, videos, or the cover photo, it's not going to open it, and it's very easy. So this is how you basically do it, and this is how you hide your profile from people who are not friends with you. Now, if you want to unlock your profile or revert back to how it was, you basically go back to the steps again. You tap on the gear or the settings gear, and then you scroll down until you find profile locking. Once you find that option, you're going to easily tap on unlock your profile, and then it should revert back to how it was. Now the steps are very easy. It's also the same on iPhones, so make sure to follow the steps just like you see in front of you. And if you're on your web-based Facebook website, you can easily go to the settings gear there as well, and that's how you do it. So if you tap on unlock, it will relock or unlock your profile just like the way it was, and that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if this video was helpful.